Hi guys, this update for my there you have it, my Evermenco full bridge rectifier. I like to call it Evermenco Faraday energy collector. You can see down here we have these are LEDs in a full bridge with 3300 microfarad capacitor. These are all in parallel, so basically if I want to I can really cut off this piece here. Alright, and here is germanium diodes, IN60 equivalent. I will have IN34 to do the AM receiver, so this is just to test out as well. This is a silicon rectifier, again with 3300. You can see this is the old from the power supply, 3000, but this is 50 volts, this is 42 volts. You can see no solder, it's all made up and jigged up. Yeah, kind of interesting, like art like that. So you can see the green lead as usual, the green lead. Let me just adjust here. Right, yeah, the green lead going up to the A rail, and the other green lead going up to the FM antenna over that side. Okay, this is so basically I will have 3 pairs of signal or AC leads. This one represents this. I will have green wires coming out here to represent this guy, and an orange going this guy. This guy can be seated like that as well. So over here we'll have probably two, one an AM receiver and one would be something that I can play around with, where I can change it. So basically it's a mirror. Why do I have so many potentially? Because what I want to do is I want to explore all sources of energy input: solar going in, winding a stepper motor going in, power duty. So the power comes out here, stored in the capacitor, comes out here, right? Alright, black lead to the white, red to the green, come out right now. I've tested it at about 2.34 volts. My LED light up the blue one, so right now it's climbing. Alright, it's at the 20 volt DCV range, and basically it's climbing. So well, it'll be interesting to see if the voltage, my highest voltage gotten with this guy here, and the geometry was 20.9 volts, almost 21 volts, but yeah, this guy here, I'm not too sure whether having more capacitor would help the charge to flow. I'm not too sure. This I will rejuvenate it, see whether this can be like a booster pack to piggyback on it. It's kind of cute. Yeah, so yep, that's for now. As you can see over here, like I mentioned, the Faraday is a little bit of misnomer, but I will explore how best to use the Evermenco as an input, as an output, i.e. to say in future all battery sources, energy sources, electrical sources should actually go into the Evermenco plug, whether it's DC or AC coupling. Output would be also doing that, so that we can have wireless transmission. My next project would be to wind a simple pancake coil and hook up to one of these guys here, so I'm getting the free power. Another one would be to release slider, to give credit to slider. Is basically using a stepper motor, charging one of this, and then from there you can actually power pancake jewel teeth and do wireless transmission. Yep, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.